Hello everyone. Today we want to focus on leakages and injections. Now we are going to start with leakages. What are leakages? Leakages refers to the amount that has been removed, money that has been taken out from the economy. It comes in three forms. That is savings, taxes, and imports. Let's talk about savings. When you decide to save, you are not spending that money. That money has been taken out of the economy because remember, that money is no longer circulating in the economy. It's no longer moving from one person to another, from one business to another, and so on. It has stopped moving, stopped circulating in the economy. So this is a leakage. Taxes. When we pay tax to the government, that money was supposed to be spent by us. I was supposed to spend that money, but then I have paid this tax to the government. So I am not able to spend this money anymore. So this is an outflow of money. The money has been taken from the economy. Number three, the imports. When we buy goods from other countries, we are actually taking money from our country and that money goes to the other countries. So this is a leakage. You have to understand that the leakage is money that has been taken out of the economy, money that has been stopped from circulating in the economy. So this is a leakage. When you hear the word leakage, you must think of the word leak. What does it mean to you? It's just something that has been taken out. Let's take an example of a car. A car operates with oil, it operates with fuel and so many other things. Now, if a drop of oil goes out of the engine, will that same drop be able to circulate in the engine? No. Why? It has been taken out. So the same goes with money. If money has been taken out of the economy, it cannot circulate anymore. So this is a leakage. Now let us talk about injections. What are injections? Injections is just the opposite of a leakage. It's money that has been put into the economy. It is the inflow of money into the economy. Now there are three forms of injections. That is investment, spending, government spending, and exports. Now, investments are injections because remember, investment, we are talking about buying of machinery so that you can produce goods. Now, that money has been spent by buying the fry stove so that you can start a business of producing fresh chips. You spend that money, you put the money into the economy. So this is an injection. Second one is the government spending. Remember, there is tax. That is the money that has been taken from businesses, from the workers, and it has gone to the government pocket. So when the government uses that money and upgrade the N2 road, the money is now back into the economy. The money is now circulating because there are workers that are being paid to do the job. There are some materials that are being bought to upgrade that road. So this is an injection. It's now the inflow of money into the economy. Then exports. Exports are opposite of imports. Remember, we said import is a leakage because money is taken from South Africa and it goes to China. Now, when we are talking about exports, money comes into South Africa. It comes into our country. Why? Because we are now selling goods to other countries. When we sell goods to other countries, their money comes into our economy. Now, this is an injection.
Now, let me explain the exports and imports using examples so that we understand which one is the leakage, which one is the injection. Botswana and South Africa. And we are starting with the leakages. Now, here is Botswana and this is South Africa. These two countries can exchange goods and services. Now, what happens when they exchange the goods and services? Let me try to explain it right here. Now, I have Botswana and South Africa, so these are the two countries. I've taken their names here, Botswana and South Africa. Now, if Botswana sells product A to South Africa, it means that South Africa is going to make a payment for that product A. Now, when South Africa makes a payment, money is leaving South Africa and it goes to Botswana. So this is an exchange. Product comes from Botswana to South Africa, money comes from South Africa to Botswana. And this is a leakage because the money left the South African economy. Now, let us talk about the injections. I'm going to use the same countries, Botswana and South Africa. As we said before, that these two countries, they exchange goods and services. Now, Botswana, South Africa, if this time South Africa sells product B to Botswana, what it means is that Botswana is going to make a payment for that product B. So Botswana is receiving a product while South Africa is receiving money. So in this case, South Africa's economy has gained more money. There is more money in the economy now. So this is an injection.
Now, let us look at the circular flow that shows the leakages and injections. Now, we have households and government. Households are paying tax to the government, and this is a leakage. The households are also importing goods from other countries. And it's not only households. I just use only one example. Firms also import goods from other countries. The government also import goods and services from other countries. Then we also have savings that we put in the financial institutions. The money that you leave in your bank account that you don't want to spend. Maybe you are earning 10,000 rand and you decide that every month I am spending 8,000 and 2,000 remains in the bank account. So this money that remains in the bank account has been stopped from circulating in the economy. So this is also a leakage. So leakages, taxes, savings, import, expenditure. These are the three types of leakages in the economy, open economy. Now, When firms invest, remember, businesses, they can borrow money that has been saved by other businesses, other households, and they buy their machinery to expand or to start new businesses and so on. So an investment is an injection. Government expenditure, government spends its money on firms when they hire the firms to do their job. For example, when the government hires a construction company, they hire it to upgrade a road. So this is a firm that is getting the money from the government. And the firms are employing people. They are paying the workers also. So an advantage of that is jobs are created. When the firms export goods and services, they get income. That is why you see that the arrow is pointing to the firms. The firms are getting the income from the foreign sector after selling their goods to those countries. So note that I have used different colors here, blue and black. The black, which is also dotted, is representing the leakages. The solid line and also blue is representing the injections. Okay, we look at the leakages and injections equations. Leakages, remember we said they are taxes, savings, and imports. So leakages is represented by the letter L, savings is represented by the letter S, taxes T, and imports M. So in form of an equation, we say leakages L is equal to savings plus taxes plus imports. In short, L is equal to S plus T plus M. Injections are represented by the letter J is equal to investment spending represented by the letter I plus government spending represented by the letter G in brackets. So I omitted this one, it should be here. So government spending denoted by the capital letter G plus exports, and exports are denoted by the letter X. J is equal to I plus G plus X. Suppose that South Africa's economy's flows are in balance. That is to say that injections and leakages have balanced. Then L is equal to J. It means that the leakages are equal to injections. Right. If L is equal to J, it means S plus T plus M. Remember, S plus T plus M are our leakages. Is equal to I plus G plus X. Those are our injections. The amount of income, remember, income is denoted by the capital letter Y, and expenditure denoted by the capital letter E, and thus the amount of production, capital letter P, are equal in such an equilibrium condition. Because we are saying the leakages are equal to injection, it means that aggregate income plus aggregate expenditure is equal to total production. If we use capital letter E to represent expenditure, then E is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. However, expenditure is also equal to income. Remember, the reason why we are saying that is we said that P, that is production, is equal to expenditure, that is E, and is equal to income, Y. So, since we say E is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M, it also means Y is equal to C plus G plus I plus X minus M. Right, the economy is in equilibrium if injections and leakages are equal. Remember that we said if the economy is in balance, it means that injections and leakages are equal. Now we are using the economic term equilibrium. So the economy is in equilibrium if the injections and leakages are equal, if J is equal to L. So we can have an example of money that is going out of the economy, that is leakages. How much do we have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, we have 1,200 rand that is going out of the economy. And the money that is going out of the economy is equal to the money that is coming into the economy. So we said the economy is in equilibrium if injections are equal to leakages. So we have 1,200 here. This money is 1,200. It is equal to, this one is also 1,200. Now, this is the money that is in the economy. We have 1,200. Our economy is very, very small. This is an example anyway, right? There is an injection of 200, meaning to say we now have 1,400 in the economy. But then there is also a leakage of 200 rand. So the economy is back in equilibrium. The money that went in and the money that went out is equal. Okay. The balance between real and money flow can be disturbed by the injections and leakages. We have 1,200 rand in our economy, and this money that we have can be distracted by the leakages and injections. We have an injection right now. There is more money into the economy. We have a leakage. There is less money in the economy. We don't have the same amount anymore since there is an injection and there is a leakage. There is an injection, there is a leakage, and so on. What will happen if there are more leakages than injections in the economy? Right, we have money in the economy here, quite a lot of money this time. It's not 1,200 anymore. But if it happens that we have more leakages, if L is greater than J, then what is going to happen? We have a leakage, we have a leakage, we have a leakage. The money is getting finished in the economy. So if there are more leakages than injections, we will end up having a shortage of money in the economy. What happens if there are more injections than leakages in the economy? If J is greater than L, what is going to happen to the economy? Well, we have money in the economy as usual, right? We have an injection, lot, and all these are injections. Then we have one leakage. Then boom, we have more money in the economy than necessary. And there is an imbalance in the economy. Okay, let us look at the questions. Question number 1, define the leakage, define the injection. Question number 2, identify the 3 leakages in the economy, identify the 3 injections in the economy. Number 3, what causes the disequilibrium in an economy? A disequilibrium, we are talking about an imbalance in the economy. So what is causing that imbalance? Okay, please don't look at my answers. Answer these questions without cheating yourself. I'm not there to see whether you are cheating or you are not. So just be patient and be honest. Answer these questions, then check my answers after that. Question number 1, leakages refers to the money that has been removed from the economy, and injections refers to the money that has been put into the economy. Question number 2, identify the 3 leakages in the economy, identify the 3 injections in the economy. Number 1, savings, taxes, and imports. Those are the leakages. Investment spending, government spending, and exports are the injections. Question 3, what causes the disequilibrium in the economy? Natural disasters, fluctuations in foreign exchange reserves, growing populations, political unrests, inflation or deflation, and so on. There are so many other reasons that can cause imbalance in the economy. This marks the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Feel free to request a video of any topic of your choice and consider it done. Don't miss the next lesson. Goodbye.